We're decorating my house for Christmas today.
And decluttering.
All right, we're gonna get the Christmas bins down so we can decorate for Christmas. I'm down to 3 bins and 1 tree. We've been decluttering the last couple of Christmases. It's really heavy.
Okay, let me help you.
Bin number
1.
Bin number 1, yay.
I can't believe you only have 3 now.
I know, I used to have what, 6 or 7 of them. We'll just stack them on top of each. Here's the tree. Number 3. Yay. All right.
Hey.
Merry Christmas. Oh.
As we open the bin, should we look through to possibly find something to declutter? Possibly, maybe.
Yeah, you never know.
She's kind of anti. She said she's been through this before and does not need to declutter anymore.
Yeah, you know me. I'm very reluctant, but I'm sure I'll find something. So I think this year I'm thinking of not using my hallmarks, maybe a few of them, and doing more colorful balls. And I might even go out and buy some candy canes because I like candy canes.
Buy something.
I might buy something.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you never know. This guy might be one of the people that, or one of the things that leave because, I don't know.
You not feeling him?
I never really have felt him.
Okay, so we're keeping these?
Yeah, I'll go put
Hand
them,
towels? Okay.
I'll go put them in the bathroom. It says open other end. I opened up both ends. Uh-oh.
As we're decorating here in my parents' home, my mom told me that her goal was to pay attention to what she was sick of using in the past and what she didn't think she would use this year for decorations, and that would be what she would declutter. So as we're pulling things out, that's what we're looking at, and we're thinking of what we'll use and what she no longer wants.
I'm really thinking of getting candy canes. I love them on the tree. And the good thing about a candy cane is like you're watching TV, you feel like a snack, you go over to the tree and you eat one.
The kids will love it.
I have a bag of woodland creatures too.
Okay.
Birds
woodland
and things.
creatures, I love it.
Yes, I'm gonna.
So are we gonna do woodland creatures or more like disco balls or?
Well, I think these little critters and then the colorful balls and see. And then
does that go together?
Yes, they do. Everything goes. It's just throw it on and it sticks. It's good.
I love it.
I'll put them in the maybe pile.
To get rid of.
Yeah, maybe to get rid of.
Well, I just said, where are you going to put these?
I don't know yet.
Okay. And then we found a Christmas card from past years to get rid of.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one, I pulled the cover off to do a project with the
kids.
kids.
So you're saving the other half of it?
Yeah, wherever that is.
It's back in the bin.
Oh, okay.
And this year you mentioned you're not going to do all the Hallmark ornaments.
Right, I'm not doing Hallmark.
Just because you want to simplify
Yeah.
it. But we're keeping them.
Oh yeah, I'll do them again.
Maybe next year.
Sure. Every year. I don't put them out every year. Change it up. Well, that can go in the maybe pile. Put that with the other. They're all foam things from that. You want me to get rid of Calvin?
No, but I was like, are you going to put it on your tree?
Yeah, I'll put it on the tree.
Okay. Thank you to EarthBreeze for sponsoring today's video.
EarthBreeze got rid of everything wrong with old-fashioned laundry detergent. It's better for the planet and so much easier to use. No more heavy, wasteful plastic jugs. Did you know that 91% of jugs don't even get recycled and end up in the landfills? 700 million detergent jugs enter landfills and oceans every year from the USA alone. I have been using EarthBreeze for about a year now, and their powerful eco sheets look like dryer sheets, but they're not. It's revolutionary liquidless laundry detergent that dissolves 100% in hot or cold water. Their flexible subscriptions can be self-managed so you can adjust, pause, or cancel anytime without any hidden fees or extras. 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back, no questions asked, and no return necessary. Most importantly, EarthBreeze is tough on stains and removes odor, so you still get a powerful clean every time. There's no reason not to switch. Go to earthbreeze.com/Shannon Torrens to get started with 40% off. That's earthbreeze.com/Shannon Torrens for 40% off your subscription, and you can get started today.
You've been looking at this for the last few minutes, and
yes,
what?
I put it on the hearth, and it's pretty much the same color as the hearth. And I'm not really thrilled by this Santa, so since I do want to continue to reduce my Christmas decorations. I am going to get rid of this now and give it to the thrift store so they can sell it for Christmas.
Yeah, he's in good condition
Yeah,
too.
he is. He is, but you know, he's never really flipped my switch. So,
and I think all these little tchotchkes are gonna go.
yes, yes. The goal would be to reduce to 2 bins. Wouldn't that be nice?
Ooh, that would be really cool.
All right.
Maybe we could do it. I don't know though.
We'll see. When Christmas is over, when we put it back together, that's when
Well, maybe we'll find some more things today.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay, what about this guy?
Oh yeah, a little soldier, toy soldier.
This is a vintage
Elf on the Shelf. But you know what? This chair,
Uh-huh.
I don't really need.
What about this Santa's North Pole box with another box inside of it with something inside here? Oh my
is that the
gosh.
hooks?
That's the hooks.
Those
Really?
are- what?
Do you need all that? This holds this, which holds the
Well,
hooks.
you condense.
But do you need this? Because this is what's making your bins big.
Yeah. I suppose I don't need all these boxes. And this little angel is from 1956, the year I was born.
That's
I'm sure
cute.
some people out there have the same angels.
What about these?
Oh, I don't care about those.
Okay, these can go. Woohoo! And the box.
I
because
need
the
to
box is
save
what
one
takes
box.
room.
I know,
You
but
have
I-
boxes.
I don't have boxes. I just took
For
all the
what?
boxes
This
out.
was in here though.
I know, but
If this was in here, then what's the box for?
sometimes
Logic.
I need boxes sometimes to wrap gifts in.
Never.
Yes, I'll keep this box. This is a good one.
That's what, but then it's not gonna fit.
Okay,
we're
I'll
trying
put
to
this
get rid of a
in
bin.
baby. Okay. All
So
right.
get rid of these. Wow, I can't believe it. This is her choice, by the way. Not mine. Oh, we got this.
Oh yes.
How are we feeling about these?
Oh.
With the matching candles that you will never burn in your house. Oh my god. It's like a carrot nose.
Carrot nose.
Okay, we both did the same thing.
I know, that's funny.
Oh, that's so funny looking.
Cute, huh?
Funny.
I'll give them away. My goal is to really simplify, so I need to part with these things. Bent candles, cute little guys, but I'll get them to someone right away. There we go.
And here's a piece of art that I did way back in the day when I was in, I think, high school.
Yes, I have found these 2 little elves. I'm going to put them out. And this little teddy bear sleigh that my mom made.
Or some of the ones you always scared me. I thought you were in the other room. Okay.
Okay.
Because this is from when I was a kid.
Yeah, I'm saving that because
Yeah.
I made it when you were little.
It's cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's
7
all
of us. Yep.
That's all of us.
That's it. For now. No.
Yes, for now. Here are a wreath hanger. Need that or no?
Probably not. Who cares? Okay. I think we talked about this one last year. This time I'm going to get rid of it.
One of the bins is completely empty, so hopefully,
When I put it back, hopefully when we put it back.
yeah, we'll try not to put anything in this bin.
Okay, we'll see what we can
That'll
do.
be the goal.
Okay. There's a shelf in the hall that I want to reorganize and declutter a couple things.
Okay.
And so we can do that now.
Yeah.
I'm not one to change things around very often, like years. But I have these 2 little hula girls from Hawaii. And this one's skirt just kept shedding. So I cut her skirt off. So I'm probably gonna get rid of her. I was gonna make her a sarong. And then here's this one. This one's fine, but I'm gonna definitely put away all this beachy stuff. Hawaii.
But you mentioned to me that you were probably gonna possibly declutter these.
Yes, actually, I threw them both in the trash, and then I dug deep down in my barrel and I pulled them back out because I felt really bad for them. So I haven't decided, but I think I'm gonna get rid of these 2. But
At least get rid of the one that.
wouldn't she look cute with a sarong? Isn't that funny? It looks like she's floating. Okay, so then I'm gonna pull all this stuff out too. What started it was I take art classes and I made a painting that I really like, and so I wanted to put it up, but I thought I just need to move everything and make a change. Something like that. I might put something else there.
I counted up 18 items
Yeah.
that my mom is willing to part with.
It's amazing, but true.
I say this every video, but I am shocked because before I came over here,
I kept saying, I wonder if we'll find some stuff to declutter, and you kept telling me, no way.
No.
You said, there's no way I'm getting rid of anything.
Yeah.
I've already decluttered everything.
I know, I did last year, and now I changed my mind.
Getting rid of more. You have 3 medium-sized totes,
Yeah.
boxes, and this takes up so much space,
Yeah.
and there was nothing in these boxes.
Yeah.
And then all this bulky stuff that you don't use every year.
Yeah.
And I mean, I think like you said, you're kind of tired of a lot of it.
Yes.
And you're not using it anyway.
Yeah. I just feel like I've had these, therefore I have to keep them. I've never really cared for them and try to figure out, oh, it just adds color. But it's really nothing that I like a lot.
When we first started the video, you mentioned you used to have, what, 8 boxes or something?
Yeah, at least.
I mean, it would fill the whole hall
Yeah.
from beginning to end of the hall, stacked. I mean, I think 8 boxes
Yeah,
or so.
I did. I had a lot of boxes. I'd get rid of 1 box a year
Yeah.
or 2 boxes, you know, I just really whittled it
Yeah.
down to 3. So maybe we can do 2.
Yeah.
this
And I
time.
think I just see you transitioning to less and less decor on your own, wanting less in here.
Yeah.
And even when I say, oh, I'll come over and help you decorate, and a lot of the time you're like, oh, not too soon, I don't want too much. and then we're not even using a lot of the things
Yeah.
that are still in the boxes.
Yeah. I go through spurts where I get lazy, and probably I could just put a poinsettia up there and be, there's Christmas.
Yeah.
Because I go to your house for Christmas,
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter. You know, I'm not having parties, and I try to keep it simple. The more I put out, the more I have to put away, so.
And I think of that too now.
Uh-huh.
It's surprising. I never thought about that before, but this year I did think the more I decorate come January, the more I'm going to have to organize,
Yeah.
put away, clean up.
That's
and that
right.
is something to think about.
Yes, it is.
When you want to simplify.
Yes.
It really.
Yes.
So are you happy about this?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. it's
Okay.
good. Thank you for helping me decorate. And it's always nice to
Yeah,
have
it's
you
fun.
come over and do it for me or with me.
Yeah. And I think just mentioning getting rid of a few things and look what you found.
I know. It's
lot.
funny when you say declutter stuff, I'm always reluctant at first. And then I think about it and think about it, and then all of a sudden I think, like, do I really need that? It's almost like, don't tell me I can't have that. I'll keep it forever. And it's a stupid mentality for me to have, but sometimes I do. It's just a habit. Very defensive of my junk.
Yeah. And somebody can use all these things.
Yes,
so.
and now's the time to do it before Christmas. I've just decided I'm going to get rid of this one also. It's so old, it's falling apart, and you're right. Takes up a lot of room. Okay, goodbye, little snowman. It's been fun. Yay.
Do you feel sad about it?
No. I've lost all feeling for getting rid of stuff. Doesn't matter. Really. I enjoy my house being less cluttered more than I enjoy the stuff. So I have to remember when I have a simple life and not junk everywhere, it's really nice feeling. Better than the stuff. This is going. Goodbye.
If you like videos like this, decluttering and simplifying your life, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you can click right here to see how my parents decluttered everything in their home for the last few years.
Oh yeah.
See you in the next video.
Bye.